Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Astrophotography. Today, I'm going to be doing a full review on the Pixel 4a's camera. A phone that costs only $350. You're not going to believe how well your photos are going to look if you take them with this phone. So here are all the timestamps of all the different sections I'm going to do. The only thing I'm not going to be doing today is the selfie camera because I don't really use it at all, so I wouldn't review something I don't use. But here are everything else that I use. Feel free to skip ahead, but I would appreciate it if you watch all the sections in this video. And let's go ahead and begin. This section, I want to show you all of the pictures I got while I went camping. So as you can see, I camped by a lake, and you can take some really gorgeous shots with this Pixel. All my shots were well exposed and focused as well as they can possibly be. For example, as I zoomed into this image, as you can see, no detail is lost and the image is really sharp. And in terms of portrait mode, it can get a little bit better because the edge detection can be a little bit off sometimes. So it hasn't really been improved in the 4 years of Pixels, but it's still pretty good overall. And this is my favorite section. I cannot believe what kind of shots I can get with this phone. I was expecting some blurry, pixelated images of the sky, but instead, I got some very high resolution images of the Milky Way. This is my all-time favorite feature of any phone, like the ability to shoot shots of the sky with your phone. I thought was impossible until I saw the Pixel 4a. And it even amazes me even more that Google sells this phone for only $349. If you guys have made it this far, I would appreciate a like and subscribe, as I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, and I would appreciate every single one of you guys. Uh-oh, that was a close one. Pixel 4a has actually impressed me a lot. For example, in time lapses, you can actually shoot in 4K. And another thing I like about the video recording is the mic. The mic on the Pixel 4a just sounds really nice and clean. Something I absolutely love about the Pixel 4a. The only downside with video to me is the slow motion. It's still pretty weak. You can only take 1/8 times slow motion footage in 720p. So it doesn't look too great as you can see here, but at least you can take some slow motion shots. So the night sight mode is different than astrophotography. Astrophotography mode only works when you're holding your phone on a tripod, so it can't really move at all, but the night sight option works anytime, and you can still get some really nice pictures like these. I'm going to talk about the more section. So you can get really cool features such as ultra wide and 360 degree images on your Pixel 4a. So of course you also got panorama, but I haven't really tested that out that much. The only thing I've used so far is the ultra wide setting right here. So I guess it's called wide angle, but it makes your images look really cool like this. And you can also get 360 degree images, which looks absolutely insane. So let me show you an example. So here is my example. When you take a 360 degree image, you can flip around like this as if you were right there. So this feature is really cool, and I advise you to try it out one day. And in conclusion, the Pixel 4a, in my opinion, is one of the best cameras on a phone of all time. The reason is because of the price. The price makes it one of the best because you can get really insane photos on just a $350 phone. Like, you don't have to spend $1,500 to buy the highest end phone. You can literally buy a budget phone and still get one of the best cameras. So that's why I make it one of the best cameras of all time. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the bell for new videos, and I hope I see you guys later. Peace.
This is not a goal. Look! The ball is on the line. Ah, never mind.